Oh my God, it even displays the date. It even still says welcome.
This is a
An
real payphone.
old ass pay.
Oh my-
1034 right now.
Wait a minute.
Imagine 3 calls or dial emergency line, and that's
Wow.
10.
You're dialing. Is it making a
32.
noise when you press?
Where's that mic? Where's that mic? It's in the ear, right? What's
Can
it
you
say?
hear?
Oh, come on.
Are they talking to you? Are you speaking to 1984?
Not allowed. Dial again.
Maybe you're
10:30.
speaking to someone in another time.
Come
Maybe
on.
this is a time machine.
No, come on. 10:30 doesn't work on this thing.
Maybe you're gonna end up in 1993.
10:11.
Oh my gosh.
No card required.
Wow.
If only you had dialed 1032, man.
Wow.
Oh man, no. That's like a payphone.
Your
Make
grandchildren
12,
may never see this in
Ever
their
again.
lifetime.
I actually had a card for this thing once.
What did this thing used to do again?
1032 you used to dial numbers. You can do a reverse call.
Wow.
And that's option 2 or option 3, I don't actually remember. But when you dial 1032, one of the options is to make a reverse call. So you can call home and someone can pick up and then they get charged for answering your own call.
Thanks,
That was fun to do
folks.
back in the day, dude.
Amazing.